Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust the ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here just find the sounds and vibration section. Right now we can see here the ringing notification volume section. Just to change the ringtone volume, swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. You can just press on the up or to the down or to the up volume button. Also we can just tap here on the settings icon, and with our finger just swipe this dot to the left or to the right side, and just then tap to down. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.